Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a relational database service offered by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It is designed to be compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL, offering the benefits of both traditional relational databases and cloud computing. Amazon Aurora is known for its high performance, scalability, and durability. It uses a distributed architecture that replicates data across multiple availability zones, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. This architecture also allows for automatic scaling of storage and compute resources as per the application's needs, without downtime. Amazon Aurora provides several advantages over traditional relational databases and even other cloud-based database solutions. Some key advantages of Amazon Aurora are: 1. Performance. Amazon Aurora offers exceptional performance due to its unique architecture. It uses a distributed storage system with an SSD-backed virtualized storage layer, which enables high throughput and low latency for read and write operations. It is optimized for workloads that require high performance and can manage millions of transactions per minute. 2. Scalability. With Amazon Aurora, you can easily scale your database resources up or down based on demand. It can automatically add or remove resources, such as storage and compute capacity, to accommodate fluctuations in workload without downtime. This elasticity allows applications to manage sudden spikes in traffic and provides cost optimization by scaling resources only when needed. 3. High availability. Amazon Aurora replicates data across multiple availability zones within a region, providing high availability and fault tolerance. In the event of a failure in one availability zone, the database automatically fails over to a healthy replica in another zone without any data loss or downtime. This built-in redundancy ensures your data remains accessible and protected. 4. Durability and data protection. Amazon Aurora takes automated backups of your database and stores them in Amazon S3. It also supports point-in-time recovery, allowing you to restore your database to a specific point in time within the retention period. These features ensure data durability and provide protection against accidental data loss or corruption. 5. Compatibility and migration. Amazon Aurora is compatible with both MySQL and PostgreSQL, which means you can easily migrate your existing applications and databases to Aurora with minimal effort. It provides native compatibility with popular MySQL and PostgreSQL tools, drivers, and libraries, making the migration process smoother. 6. Managed service. Amazon Aurora is a fully managed service, eliminating the need for database administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, software patching, database setup, and backups. AWS takes care of these operational tasks, allowing you to focus on your application development and reducing administrative overhead. 7. Integration with AWS ecosystem. As part of the AWS ecosystem, Amazon Aurora seamlessly integrates with other AWS services. You can leverage services like AWS Identity and Access Management, IaaM, Amazon CloudWatch, AWS Database Migration Service, DMS, AWS Glue, and more, to enhance the functionality and manageability of your applications. Overall, Amazon Aurora provides superior performance, scalability, availability, and durability, along with the benefits of a fully managed service. These advantages make it an attractive choice for applications that require high-performance databases with minimal administrative overhead. Some common use cases where Amazon Aurora excels are: 1. Web and mobile applications. Amazon Aurora is well suited for web and mobile applications that require high performance, scalability, and availability. Its ability to handle millions of transactions per minute with low latency makes it ideal for applications with heavy read and write workloads, such as e-commerce platforms, social media apps, content management systems, and real-time analytics. 2. Gaming. Gaming applications often require fast and reliable databases to manage player data, leaderboards, in-game transactions, and matchmaking. Amazon Aurora's high-performance capabilities and scalability make it an excellent choice for gaming platforms that need to manage massive concurrent user activity and provide a seamless gaming experience. 3. SaaS, Software as a Service, applications. Many SaaS providers choose Amazon Aurora for their multi-tenant applications. Its scalability allows SaaS vendors to accommodate increasing numbers of customers and their data while maintaining performance. The multi-availability zone replication ensures high availability and data durability, critical for SaaS applications that serve customers globally. 4. Analytics and business intelligence. Amazon Aurora can be used as a back-end database for analytics and business intelligence applications. Its ability to manage complex queries and perform fast aggregations makes it suitable for data warehousing and data analytics use cases. Combined with AWS services like Amazon Redshift and AWS Glue, Aurora can form a comprehensive analytics pipeline. 5. IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things applications generate vast amounts of data from connected devices. Amazon Aurora's scalability allows IoT applications to ingest, store, and process sensor data in real time. With its high throughput and low latency, it can handle IoT workloads and support real-time analytics, anomaly detection, and device management. 6. Content management and publishing. Content management systems and publishing platforms often require efficient storage and retrieval of structured and unstructured data. Amazon Aurora's performance and compatibility with MySQL and PostgreSQL make it a suitable choice for content-heavy applications, such as news portals, blogs, and e-learning platforms. 7. Financial services. Financial applications, including banking systems, trading platforms, and payment gateways, demand high-performance databases with strict data consistency and durability. Amazon Aurora's ACID-compliant transactions, durability guarantees, and scalability make it a reliable choice for financial services applications that need to handle large volumes of transactions. These are just a few examples, and Amazon Aurora can be applied to various other use cases where a scalable, high-performance, and managed database solution is required. Its flexibility and compatibility with existing MySQL and PostgreSQL applications make it an appealing choice for many organizations across different industries. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.